The graduation fading technique is fading without lines of demarcation. We all want to fade without lines, right? You've heard the saying, if you don't put them in, you don't have to take them out. Well, if you do happen to make a line with this technique, it will be a soft line, and soft lines are easy to blend. Get tight with Wahl educator Anthony Barmer as he works this system into zones that are easy to understand and implement. Starting at the apex with a number 8 attachment comb on an open blade, work against the grain in a circular pattern. Using the C-motion technique, begin the graduation fading process at the parietal ridge, working the zone from side to side in a horseshoe pattern. Changing to the number 6 blade, open and elevated, rake the hair with the tip of the attachment comb, overlapping previously cut hair to blend any length differences. Anthony will now lay the closed blade flat and come back around using the C motion to remove length and prepare to transition into a shorter fade. Every time you change your attachment comb, you are dropping a zone. Repeat the graduation fading technique, eventually ending with the number 1 attachment comb. With the 1½ attachment comb, clean and tighten up the sideburn and arch line. Raking with 2 or 3 of the blade teeth to create a tapered hairline. On damp hair, rake the open, elevated blade over the comb to create a textured look that will blend the front to the apex guide. Gently move the ear to remove unwanted stragglers and create a crisp outline. Rake against the growth pattern to remove length, and with the growth pattern to smooth. Ensure sideburns are straight.